Today is the second day of the Rip Curl Pro Bells Beach event down here at Bells Beach, Victoria. Second day and second lay day, which means obviously the conditions are not good enough for the comp. There are no waves. So we'll come back later on in the week. We're going to be staying at some cottages in Bells, so we'll be close to the event. Hopefully be able to walk down and not have to drive, but we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed for some good surf coming.
For Kelly Slater and Carlos being the low seed. In fact, they're all kind of in the similar area. Connor just a couple of spots above Kelly at the 22 mark. As we could potentially see a roll in to kick off heat number 3 of the morning. Costa Rica's Carlos Munoz. A couple of fading turns.
People are standing there.
And here we go, Blue. Brisa Hennessy up and riding on this one. Connecting a few calves here as she's waiting for this one to stand up. Bangs it for a finish. Red up and out behind her. So just on 9.5 minutes remaining. And here we have White Courtney Conalog up and riding on this one. Gets a nice first calf. She's trying to make her way through to a bit of a steeper section, puts it up there for a finish.
First day of competition at the Rip Curl Bells Beach Pro 2023. It has been a long day. Leash and I got here for about 9 o'clock. She stuck around for a couple of heats before leaving. It's now 6 o'clock, just after. All of the heats are finished for the day, men's and women's. Round 1 is done. I pretty much stayed in the same spot, didn't move from the time we got here, so my body is aching, and it's been raining and drizzling throughout the day. But it's time to go home and eat something, because I haven't had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast, lunch, so it's time for dinner.
Just on 28 minutes on the clock. White, your first wave was a 4.83, first of white, 4.83. Red, your second wave is 3.17. You also have a 0.27, chasing that 167. And blue, 3.12. So 27.5 minutes on the clock. Small scores locked on the board so far.
And here we go, last of red. So that's filtering on through. Last hit red box in at a 2.77. So white, you got down to third for 1.11 to move up into second position. White Carlos Munoz, you have 4.83 for 1.11. Blue, Kelly Slater, blue, your last wave locked in at a 6.33. Last blue is 6.33. You are in the lead.
It's a good You're so distracted.
Looking up there and lines out for a nice little stage to lock in there for Jake Marshall in the white. 33 minutes 40 seconds. Clock waiting for first of white.
Oh, look, he's ready to move.
While he didn't get to ring the iconic bell, Owen Wright ended his professional surfing career surfing right to the end of his heat. He was then chaired up the beach in an emotional farewell, going down as a legend in Australian surfing history.
Westernhurst from Indonesia. Home break Bali, Uluwatu.
Thank you, John.
Yeah, John Florence, his best result this season. He's charging up the leaderboard. Emotional moment here for Ryan Callanan.
The Rip Curl Pro Bows Beach presented by Bonsoy. We'd like to acknowledge that we're here on Wadawurrung country. We acknowledge Wadawurrung people as the traditional owners of the land and the waterways we are on today. We are gathered here on Jarak, the original Wadawurrung name for Bells Beach. We pay our respects to Wadawurrung people, their elders past, present, and emerging, and extend this acknowledgement to First Nations people here today. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead, ring that bell, my friend. You can go ahead and ring it. Oh yeah, go for it. How good is this? How good is this? You're so busy. All right, let's hear it for your champion. Celebrating 40 years of the anniversary of his mom winning bells in 1983. Now Ethan Ewing wins it in 2023. Your champion of the Rip Curl Pro Bells Beach. Presented by Bonsoy. Second championship to a win. First Bells final, first victory. Jesse and Claude with the assist here. He trains for this. Oh, how good. Eve, congratulations. Get prepared, and let's get loud. Another Aussie victory. Now a two-time Bells champion. Let's hear it for Tyler Wright. Congratulations to Tyler Wright. You can tell she's done that before. What a road this week. So much to celebrate, so much to talk about.